Plunder cases will be filed by this office against high-ranking people. Yung doctrine ng Korte Suprema sa plunder ay dapat mausisa muli sapagkat tila ginagawa nila imposible ang plunder maging krimen. Kaya ito po, we will cite you for contempt and we will suspend you, if not remove you from office. Anyway, in the same light, I'd like to say that we have been seriously preparing a case of plunder against former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Senate President Chisa Escudero. The former Senate President and the former Speaker will be subjected to a case of plunder very soon. Actually, narinig nyo na istorya. Narinig nyo na istorya mula sa mga testigo dati sa Senate. And if you think about it, there was a conspiracy to commit plunder and put it together. It doesn't take a genius to do it.